When you start out, it can be easy to get carried away and make a bracelet longer than you intended to. So if you're using a board, a good way to avoid that, particularly for a fitted bracelet, is to mark out the measurements you'll need onto the board. If you make a lot of different designs like I do, you can mark onto paper that you've laid onto the board rather than directly onto the board itself to avoid confusion when switching to a different pattern that needs different measurements marking out. Once you've measured your wrist, or the one that you're making for, you can mark the end point on your board, allowing for the extra ½ an inch or so you need to avoid it being too tight. Also, if you want to space out for beads or charms for a particular bracelet pattern that you're making, you can also mark these out on the board.